Make your privacy even much stronger, or the fact that you're weird. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can hide the fact that you're online on WhatsApp because you're hiding from someone. Are you a stalker or something? If you're watching this, then you're probably a stalker. Gosh, I hope you're not. I don't want to be helping bad people. I mean, stalking isn't... it is generally weird. But anyways, let's head over to the video. And enough of my yapping, because it's wasting so much time, you know. So, here we are on my mobile phone. And, luckily for us, we already have WhatsApp on my home screen. You just need to click on it, and then it will open up the app. So here we are on my WhatsApp homepage, where you will see the chats, the updates, or communities, or the calls that you have engaged in your entirety of the entire existence of your WhatsApp app, unless you deleted the context. So what you need to do now is click on the three dots on the top right corner of your screen, go to settings, then we'll head over to privacy, and then you'll see here a list which asks who can see my personal info. Let's say you don't want anyone to see your online. You just click on last seen on online here, and then you have the option to choose from these. It says who can see my last seen. You can choose whether it's everyone, your contacts except that one person that you want to see that you don't want to see that you've seen their message, or nobody at all. So right now I've set to nobody, so nobody can see if I've seen their messages or not, which is something I actually forgotten. So maybe I have had a lot of misunderstanding or miscommunication with some people that I'm talking to here. And then the next one here is that who can see whether you're online. This is the important part, which is the heart of this video. And as you can see here, same as last seen, it means that whatever you've set here on the last seen part here above will be the same setting for here on the bottom. It means I've set it nobody, and then I've set it same as last seen. That means nobody can see that I'm online. To make your privacy even much stronger, or the fact that you're weird, you go back here and then you find something called the read receipts. Basically, what this means is that it shows a receipt whether you have read the message and you want to appear offline. You don't want people to see that you're online, so you just need to turn this off. And then it says here, if turned off, you won't send or receive read receipts. Read receipts are always sent for group chats. So if you're talking privately to one person, it won't be seen. And that would mean no one will see that you've received a message or read it, nor will you see that someone has read your message. So it's a double-edged sword. But if you really want to isolate from everyone else, then this is the option for you. So that's it. That is how you can appear offline even though you're online on WhatsApp. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.